Today I'm going to show you how to sign out of Whop quickly and safely in just a few simple steps. If you ever need to switch accounts, protect your privacy on a shared device, or just end your session, this is the exact process you'll want to follow. It only takes a moment, but knowing where the sign out option is can save you a lot of time and confusion. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you are logged in to your Whop account and that you're on your home feed, which is your main hub page. This is important because the profile menu is easiest to access from the main interface. Once you're on the home feed, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile avatar or icon there. This is usually the small picture, initials, or account symbol that represents your account. Go ahead and click on that profile avatar or icon. When you do, a drop-down account menu should appear. This menu contains several account-related options, and the one we're looking for is at the very bottom. Take a quick look down the menu until you find Sign Out. Now click Sign Out. As soon as you select it, Whop will safely end your session and log you out of the account. You should then be redirected back to the Whop landing page, which confirms that you've successfully signed out. That's all there is to it. If you're using a shared computer, a public device, or even just switching between accounts, it's always a good idea to sign out properly when you're finished. It helps keep your account secure and make sure the next person can't access your session. So to recap, go to your home feed, click your profile avatar in the top right, find Sign Out at the bottom of the drop-down menu, and click it to end your session. Quick, simple, and done in seconds. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.